Baby turkeys chasing light, spinning round with tiny feet, under skies so blue and sweet. In the garden rabbits hop, with tiny tails that never stop. Mama holds her baby tight, hopping high in the sunlight. Donkey stands with shining eyes, foal is kicking, reaching skies. With soft ears and legs so small, they play and run, having a ball.